Stop creating generic AI art. Welcome to MakeRealisticAInfluencers. We don't just generate images, we engineer virtual life. This channel is the bridge between basic prompting and high-end photorealistic digital identity. Forget the limitations. Here, we dive deep into advanced ComfyUI workflows and stable diffusion mastery. We strip away the complexity to give you total control over lighting, composition, and detail. Consistency is key. You will learn how to train custom LoRAs to keep your character's face and style perfect across every single shot. From photo restoration to full AI video animation, we ensure your influencer is recognizable everywhere. Whether you're building a brand or a portfolio, we teach you how to turn prompts into profits. Join the experts. Subscribe to MakeRealisticAInfluencers now and start building the future of virtual influence.